Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. We really hope most of you took profits last week. And if you remember last week's forecast, I said it's a taking profits week. And this is the market in front of you. Before we start, we would like to thank every single one of you for your likes and comments. DXY, for this one you know that we were biased to the downside. And we said this down wave, it might be corrective, similar to this one, or a deeper corrective structure. Market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, another down wave. Remember, this down move started from Monday. What this means, it's exactly after our Forex forecast. And if you remember, we were saying, guys, take profits. Take at least 75% off and leave the rest at break even. And this is the reason behind our forecast. Why we were suggesting to take profits? Because this is the move that we were waiting for. A down wave after this up move. Now, on Friday, there was volatility in the market, and this was because of the Fed's dovish comment. They said they will not higher interest rates in 2021, and dollar keeps pushing down. So I hope all of you can see the power of wave analysis and market structure. 1 week before that news event, we were expecting market to go down. So we hope all of you took this buy, made profits in this up wave, and if you are not in the sell, I don't want you to be trapped in the fear of missing out. Why I'm saying this? Most retail traders or a big group will jump in the sell from here. Why? Fear of missing out. What will happen? Sometimes they will be right and market will keep pushing to the downside. But most of the times, we will get this up wave as a corrective structure before this drop if they need to push market down. So again, we were expecting market to go down from here. And most of retail traders, they will jump in late. I hope guys my explanations started to be more clearer for some of you. Anyway, if anyone is selling, you move your stops and let market unfold. Do not close your trade. What we are expecting next, we can see that DXY will go up before any sell setup. If you are in the sell, you move your stops. If you are not in, wait market to give you a corrective structure upwards before the sell setup. Is that clear? Remember this, news cause volatility in the market. But market always follow a certain direction defined by a structure. Alright guys, for the XY, we are biased to the upside before any sell setup. Now what if this one will continue to the downside from here? Let the market go without you if you are not already in the sell. Now those of you who are new to We Trade Waves channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Eurodollar, for this one we also hope all of you took this trade to the downside and made decent profits with this down wave. And also we've got a reaction on Monday. Market started to go up, and after this up wave, we've got a corrective structure here, another up move. So last week, we were biased to the upside. If any one of you took the buy, you manage your trades. What next? We will be biased to the downside for Eurodollar. This down wave, it might be a corrective structure before any buy setup. At the moment, forget the buy setup. We are focusing on this down wave before any next move. Is that clear? For Eurodollar, we are biased to the downside, and this forecast is for those who are not in. Is this one of the trades of the week? We will let you know on Sunday session. Guys, Sunday live sessions are part of our in-depth analysis service. And just to let you know, we have implemented a new payment portal where you can pay using your credit or debit card from any part of the world. A lot of you were waiting this, and we thought to update you on this new payment portal since some of you have had troubles in the past paying us via PayPal. Now what will you get in our in-depth analysis service? Sunday live session with T. If you cannot attend live, the session will be recorded and recording will be available for 7 days. You will get midweek review analysis via email. In addition to that, you will get trades of the week and trades of the month. So if you are interested, you can subscribe in just few clicks. Pound dollar, this was an amazing trade of the month. Market went down from here to here more than 350 pips. Those of you who are new to 𝗍𝗏𝗍𝗆 channel, go back and watch our previous videos. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Anyway, after this upwave, we said market will go down, and market went down to exactly this level. Last week on Sunday session, we said market have a higher probability chance of moving up from these levels. Why? We have a lot of orders sitting here. And these are not retail traders' orders, these are market makers' buy orders. And we've got this reaction. Market went up, we've got this pattern, this is a known pattern to us, another up move. I explained this pattern more than once here on our YouTube channel. So under these lows we have a lot of liquidity, market went down, all retail traders who went for this buy, they are out, and market went up again. So also market moved as expected to the upside. And we hope most of you guys started to see the power of wave analysis and market structures. What next for pound dollar? For this one, we are in an uptrend from here. What this means? We are expecting market to push more up. So all of you who took this sell and made profits, amazing. And those of you who are in the buy, you must be now in profits. Alright? Those of you who are not in, wait market to push a bit more higher, and then we'll wait market to talk to us. Because from these levels, this might be a corrective structure or a start of an up wave. Is that clear? At the moment, let market go to this level, and then we'll wait the price action. Next week is the last week of the month, and usually we do not trade on the last week of the month. Not only that, we will wait market participants to react on dollar volatility. And let me give you here more hints. If, for any reason, we get a sell setup from these levels, we might go for the sell setups. And remember, this forecast is for those who are not already in. So if market will keep pushing to the upside here like this, all of you are in the buy, you have to take profits at these levels. If you don't want to take profits, take at least 70 to 80% off and leave the rest at break even. Guys, our next course will be in November. Those of you who are serious about trading, our November course will be a special one. So if you are interested, be ready for it. Aussie dollar, also for this one we were biased to the upside. This wave is a bit sharp. So if anyone of you get in the buy, you manage your trades. Those who are not in, wait on this one. We might get a corrective structure, another up wave, and then a bigger corrective structure to start. Now, once you master wave analysis, you will know when market will give you a small corrective structure and when market will give you a bigger corrective structure. And this has nothing to do with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we need to take a decision next week regarding Aussie dollar, we will wait our sell setups after the completion of this wave. We are biased to the downside for a corrective or impulsive structure. After this down wave, we'll wait the pattern and we'll see the form of this corrective wave before we take any decision. Is that clear, guys? Dorian, for this one we said last week market started to be complex. And this corrective structure here, the internals of this corrective structure, it's a textbook pattern to us. A lot of you took the sell from here. So if you are selling dollar yen from these levels, you manage your trades. Alright? Structurally, this is ready for this fall. Structurally. So if any one of you is in the sell from here, or if he took any sell from these levels, you manage your trades. Now, for this one, we have one single possibility of this pushing up again to break this top before this drop. Remember, this is one single possibility. Are we going to buy this one? No. We will ignore this up wave if market will react to the upside, And like I said, if market participants' reaction next week will push dollar up, we will not buy this one. If market will be going up to break this top again, we will look for our sell setups. And this forecast is for those who are not already in. Any spike here in the price, we will ignore the buy setups. We will be only looking for our sell setups for dollar yen. And do not forget, guys, after you take a trade, you should only get 4 outcomes: small loss, break even, small win, or big win. Big loss shouldn't be one of your outcomes. New Zealand dollar, also for this one we were biased to the upside and we were waiting market to give us a corrective structure. We've got this sharp up, corrective wave, another up move. What next? This is the same as Aussie dollar and all the majors. If you are in the buy, you manage your trades. And also this was one of the trades of the week 2 weeks ago. And market went in from here to here. This was amazing trade of the week. And this was covered on one of our Sunday sessions. Anyway, last week we sat up and market started to go up on Monday. Why I'm emphasizing more on Monday? Because last week we pushed you to take profits. Anyway, market went up. If we get a corrective structure, one will push up. Anytime, market can start a down wave. So for New Zealand dollar, we are biased to the downside. It's up to you if you'd like to trade this wave or not. More details regarding this structure and the pattern that we are expecting will be covered by T on Sunday session. Pound yen for this one, this was also a great move from here to here. Market went in more than 350 pips. And those of you who remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Remember guys, your likes and comments will help YouTube algo to show our forecast to more traders. Anyway, last week we said market will be correcting upwards and this is exactly what happened. This corrective structure, it might be similar to this one for another drop. So for pound yen, we are biased to the downside. Alright, this down wave, it might go all the way down to break this low and potentially this one also. So those of you who are not in, you look for sell setups and you always risk small. And do not forget guys, do not over risk, do not overtrade, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position. If you only follow those 4 rules, you will never break your account. US oil, this was also one of the trades of the month and market fell from here to here. This was amazing. We know a lot of you guys trade US oil and we hope you took this sell and took profits last week. Also we said from here market will be going up and this is the up wave. Amazing, isn't it? A lot of traders took this buy. Our Sunday session members who trade US oil and some of our private group members also got in this buy. So again and again, this is the power of market structure and wave analysis. Why do you think guys we have this high accuracy on our forecasts? Because our wave analysis concept is special. Those of you who want to learn from us and are interested in our next course, do not miss it. November course will be a special one. I'm repeating that because we will be implementing new things and one of our strategies will be refined for a perfect risk to reward. Anyway, coming back to US oil. For this one, the next wave is towards the downside. So do not go on Monday and jump in. Why? Because this wave can go up to break this top before this fall. In all the cases, the next wave is towards the downside and we will be looking for our sell setups only. Regardless if this wave will go up to break this top or not. The next wave is towards the downside. Gold, another one. This is moving up as expected. We said up, correction, up, corrective structure, up, correction, another up move. So where majors were falling, gold was moving up, and last week majors were going up, gold also is moving up. And you know our forecast and our bias regarding gold. So if you are in the buy or if you took any buy setup, you manage your trades. We can see this is going more up, corrective structure, another up wave. We are in an uptrend and looks like gold will push higher. And by the way, these are the lists that are covered on every Sunday. YouTube list as in-depth analysis, indices, other forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and requests. Dollar CAD, look at this. This is crazy. Those of you who are new to WeTradeWave's channel, go back and watch our previous forecast. We said even with this sharp up wave, we can see dollar CAD falling again. And look at this down wave from here to here. It's more than 300 pips move. And also we gave you an example about previous structure. Anyway, after this down wave, we are getting a corrective structure for another drop. So if we get this drop next week, a corrective structure here, another fall is coming. Alright? If you took a sell, you manage your trade. Move your stops and let market unfold. We can see dollar CAD moving more down. Silver for this one, we start from here after the completion of this corrective structure, another up wave is coming. Market pushed up, it gave us a corrective structure, another up move. We are expecting another corrective structure here, one more push up. So for this one, we are biased to the upside for short term. Bitcoin, again, this is amazing. You remember from here the 30 level, I will not repeat that. Market went up, corrective structure, one more push up. From here we said we will get a corrective structure, the next stop will be 50. And all of you see the reaction at 50 levels. So from 30 to 50, you are almost doubling your investment. And few of our members are making huge profits in cryptos. And those who don't know, on our Sunday sessions, we cover a lot of other coins. Anyway, for Bitcoin, we are in an uptrend, and after this upwave, we will update you. To know more regarding this one and other coins, subscribe to our in-depth analysis service. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first, and then you risk your money. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.